Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys me and my sister Crystal routine. So it's kind of like our homeschool routine during quarantine. We've been doing things for about 3 hours a day, and she has independent work that she does as well on top of that. So I'm going to share with you guys what we're going to be doing today. Today is Friday. I do have a class in between the time we usually do our homeschooling, so we'll be resuming and then coming back after my class, which is just an hour on Zoom. You want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi.
Okay. So I'm just gonna go right into it. So here's our agenda for today. We're going to go over some vocabulary strategies, like we've been going over a lot of new words, using context clues, things like that. We're going to continue to go over that. We're going to go over cause and effect, and we're going to read a reading, kind of like a science reading on that. We're going to have our break. That's going to be like our hour break. We have some math fluency. We're going to finish off our mean, median, and mode worksheet from yesterday, and then we're going to go over a measuring cups activity. Remember the fire model? So, what's one of the strategies? We're not using all of the strategies, but we're using 2 of the 4 strategies on there.
Synonym and antonym.
Yep, we're going to be talking about synonyms. Antonyms. Context clues. And the last one, which is kind of a new one, you probably went over in school though, are root words. Are you familiar with root words? Yeah, so using root words to help figure out how to say a word or like the meaning of a word is a vocabulary strategy.
Boy, if you don't get...
What about root words?
What root words are? Like words inside the word? Or like, yeah.
You said words inside of a word?
Yeah, like,
Are you thinking of an example?
yeah, like cat, it's in it. Like if you say cat, at's in the word cat.
If you say at in the word cat?
No, see, look. So you have cat, but there's at inside of the word because of AT.
Okay. So that's actually the suffix.
Wow.
Prefixes and suffixes.
Then there's a root word.
But root word would be, for example, if I have the word jumping, jump, jumped, jumping, jumped. The root word would be jump.
You know what I just said?
That's the root. You're saying like, I guess suffixes and prefixes aren't words. Root words are words that could stand on its own. But when you talk about like suffixes, I think that's how you spell it. You have said cat, at. I guess that doesn't really help because that is a word. How do I break it down? I guess some of them don't necessarily follow the rule, but usually suffixes and prefixes. Suffixes at the end of a word, right? Prefixes are at the beginning of a word. they usually can't stand on its own. Like pre is a prefix. Pre is not a word on its own. So it'd be a prefix. A root word is a word that can stand on its own. Like if you did play. Well, playing. Played. The root word would be what?
I forgot the comma. Play.
Yeah. If astre means star, what does the word astronomy mean? A, the scientific study of space. B, a telescope. C, the sensation of seeing spots.
The first one.
The scientific study of space. What made you come up with that?
Because stars and I don't know. It just feels right.
Okay, you're correct. Ding, 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 you got it.
S means to breathe. What does the word
Respiration.
respiration mean? The point of taking in
Wait, try that word again.
the process of taking in and receiving air.
Releasing.
Releasing air. A rest or nap. And it's figure of speech. It's figure of speech. I think it's A.
Crystal went to the bathroom, y'all. But how is everyone's quarantine going, y'all? This is day, I don't know, of quarantine. It's just been crazy, y'all. But it's been nice spending more time with my family. We've been doing family devotionals, which has been nice. We've been catching up, spending a lot of time together because we are all home, which has also been nice. So, you know, you gotta find the positive in it. My heart does go out to all the people who are literally fighting for their lives right now because of COVID. It's just crazy, y'all. Crazy. Gotta pray for our country, pray for the nation, because it's affecting a lot of people. Even if you don't have it, it's affecting you clearly because you can't do your daily routine.
My phone fell down.
Yeah, guys. I was drinking my tea and I was trying to get you guys off the tripod and my phone fell. Some of my tea, not half of it. Thank God. Some of my tea had went on my phone, so I had to take it off the case or whatever. But Crystal has been doing independent work. Usually when she's doing independent work, I will be on my laptop responding to emails from work, or class emails, things like that.
I finished before my timer.
Yeah, she finished before her timer. She finished 2 minutes before the timer. This is what she was working on, which is a cause and effects of natural disasters. Most of the worksheets that we've been working on have been from education.com. So I give them all the credit for their information. They have independent packets for grades K through 5th, and I've been using some of the 5th grade ones. So yeah, I believe, I'm not sure, because I've signed up for a couple websites. I'm not sure if I know you can sign up and they're giving free resources right now because of COVID-19. So these packets and stuff, you can download them and print them for free at education.com. I'll also link them down below in this video. So if you are looking for resources for your siblings, children, if you're a teacher and you're looking for extra resources for your students, that's a great website, education.com. So then we'll get back into, this is what my student is doing.
Yes, I'm standing over here.
We're going to review this, and then what time is it? It's only 10:08, so I was a little off on the timing. We also have a math game that she likes to do. Yeah, we can do that, but we do have part 2 of this activity, which is a reading. We do a lot of reading. I read, she reads, just to have that balance and gain more practice with that. So yeah. Okay, so you fixed 4 and 5. So read part 2.
On directions?
No, what you did for number 1.
A severe hurricane hit the mountain and can angle a huge avalanche.
Okay, number 2.
The tree caught on fire after one of the branch sticks got struck by lightning.
Okay.
The heavy rain from the tsunami led to a greater flood. The blizzard warning after there was a blizzard warning after the earthquake.
Blizzard and earthquake.
Yeah. Do I flip them around?
Do blizzards and earthquakes have anything to do with each other?
No.
So do you think they would be in the same sentence like that?
Maybe.
Because this is a cause and effect. Because of the blizzard, there was an earthquake. Does that make sense?
No, but everything else fits in the same place, so.
So what is an avalanche?
An avalanche is like when rocks start falling. Like when it goes like this, look. That's avalanche. I imagine that avalanche. Yeah, I imagine.
So 1 and 4.
Yes, what about them?
Those are the ones that we need to revise.
Okay.
Okay guys, so now we're taking a mini break, and we've been doing this for the past like 2 days. This activity, like it's like a kind of like a brain break that she does at school, and she'll explain how it goes.
So the name of the game is Squares. So you have a graph piece of paper and you have 2 different color markers.
This side's mine, this side's hers.
Okay, and then you can either have 1 dice or 2 dice. So when you have 2 dice, you add them, and if you get the same as the other person, so since she has 7, if I roll a 7 too, I times them, and then I get 14. And
We're doing multiplication today?
we're doing it like yesterday. Yeah.
Yesterday we added.
Really?
Yeah, so yesterday we had the 2 dice and we add. So like if I rolled and it landed on a 6 and a 2, that would be 8. And then I would shade in 8 blocks on here. But she wants to do multiplication today. So it's gonna be a lot. And I usually set like a 5-minute timer. So I'll do that.
It's really easy. You could play it at home if you want to.
Are you ready? Are you going first?
Oh no. You go first.
Okay.
You won last time.
2 times 2 is 4. Your turn. 6.
I get 7.
But I thought we were timesing. Are we multiplying
yeah.
or?
Yeah, 6. Sorry.
4. Four times 5.
20.
6 times 4. 24.
Can I get one more roll?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was our timer, guys.
Well, that's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My blood doesn't. I would.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, by like how many? 3 boxes. This is our...
I won. It's so fun. Probably you can't see it on camera. My got
Yeah, it's kind of hard
1,
to
2,
show.
3, 4, 5. Got 5 ones.
I have 5 lines too, but
I have
I have 4
left.
left. She has 1 box left on her 5th thing. So we have done our
I'll test them out.
well, actually we still have our other part. You can check it off.
So check off the right too.
What?
Okay, now what? What are we doing?
Let's see, what time is it? So it's 10:33, so let's read our reading really quick. And then you'll have your break, and then we'll come back and do some math for the rest of our time. Okay guys, we are back. We are back in session. We're having a little snack, some mini ice cream sandwiches. My class went good. I got more information about my like student teaching next year and when I will find out about it. So I should be finding out about it in May of where I'll be student teaching. So that's exciting. We're back from our break. It's really cold in here, guys. We're in the basement and it's just cold. So I put this thing on. Now we're moving on to our math fluency. Which is a 2-minute timed math fluency. It has multiplication and division, and then 20 multiplication questions, 20 division questions. So we're gonna do this. Wait until you're done. I'm gonna set up my timer. And I'm just using online stopwatch for my timer. You can also just use like a timer on your phone. I usually use a timer on my phone, but I'm recording on my phone. So, you shouldn't be doing it yet. That's cheating.
Oh, sorry.
Have to set the timer.
That's go in order.
No, you just have to wait until I start the timer. So are you ready to start? Starting now. Let me start. And it is the average. Mean is average. So in order to find the average, you need the total and you need the number in the set. And you divide that, and that's how you get that average. Hope people are doing that. Median is
The number that's exactly in the middle, but you do it greatest. I mean, least to greatest.
And then what is mode?
Mode is the number that has the most of each other.
Okay, so you can go ahead and finish your last 3 and we can review them.
I need a sheet.
Your notebook. Let me go to a different, flip it to a different page. So Crystal's doing some independent work over here for me, Meanie, and Mode. We did 3 problems yesterday. She's finishing the last 3. We're gonna finish off with the measuring cups, and that will conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I might be making more throughout this quarantine season. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like this video. Bye.